Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and in today's video, I am joined by Mr. Andrew Werkheiser of KCx, and we have the new W0.01 Hand Wax. We're gonna be putting it on Juan's car hood today. All right guys, so as you know, I'm old school, Andrew. I love putting on an old coat of wax because it's therapeutic, it's aromatic, and well, it's relaxing. This is something that's been wanted for a very long time, correct?
Absolutely, yeah. So it's been something that we certainly wanted here in the US market. It's done very well on a global market, but finally we were able to bring it over and get it here. When you get W0.01 Hand Wax, it comes in a beautiful box that's got the actual product, of course, inside.
Right.
Comes with an applicator as well as a towel, ready to go, instructions, all that good stuff. But it's a fantastic presentation and of course just adds to the whole overall user experience.
Well, and I think that's gonna be a big selling point for a lot of folks because not only is it something that you can give as a gift, wink wink, I'd like some for myself, but it's something that comes ready to use, straight out of the box. You've got that applicator, you've got the towel. I know you guys wanna see us lay down some buttery goodness, and that's what we're gonna do today. Now, for this video, we're not gonna be using the applicator that comes with the kit. We're actually gonna be using one of the new Pearl pucks. So again, you can stuff that guy right in there. You guys can see that. But you just give it a little turn.
Yep.
The nice thing is this is a very soft, pliable wax. Yep. And it goes on so easy. Andrew, it's amazing.
Yeah, and especially with the number of turns Levi just did, it's gonna go a really long
Look at this.
way.
And I've still got a ton over
Yes.
here that I can draw from.
Absolutely. Yes, you can see just applying in a circular motion. And like I said, even just a quarter turn would be plenty for the panel that we're working on right now, but it's just gonna keep going, spreading out.
Still cruising, man.
And of course, smelling really great.
So it's got this awesome honey scent.
Yeah, and as you said, it's a super easy application and installation process. And one of my favorite parts about it is just the actual amount of working time that is left with the product. So you have plenty of time. I mean, honestly, you could even do the entire vehicle and come back and still not have an issue with the removal and the buff.
Well, and that's one of the things that a lot of people, there's that old school mentality, people who put on car wax, and they go, I don't like doing that because there's all the new spray sealants, there's all these other faster, quicker ways to get this level of protection. But there's still something to be said about laying down that nice coat of wax, getting it on the car, having your garage smell nice. But the key is in that workability. There are many hard waxes that actually harden and are very difficult to take off, or they leave a heavy white residual powder all over the vehicle. They leave a mess. I remember when I started detailing and I had to put waxes on, we'd wait till it flashed and it turned to just white dust. Here's the funny thing, we would wax the customer's car, then we would drive it through the car wash to literally wash it off. Don't do that, you strip all that wax off. But as a 16-year-old kid, I didn't know any better. All right, so we're gonna wipe it off. Now, normally you could use an Eagle Edgeless, but I wanted to talk about the Purple Pearl. One of the things that this towel originally was designed for, Andrew, was actual wax removal. So I think it's gonna be pretty good at removing this wax. Now, you can use any of the great Rag Company microfiber towels for this job, but in this instance, I like bringing back what technically is an old favorite. That's really a new favorite. So this guy, what I like about it is it's a very tight weave. And so in a car like this, it's a little easier to move and maneuver. But one of the neat things about this wax is how long it actually allows you to work. So in reality, we're actually probably going too soon to remove this. But for this video, we're gonna show you guys how easy it is to remove. And you can see it's still, we wanna get a camera up in here. You can see that when I'm removing it, I'm kind of removing that first layer.
Yeah, and again, you've got plenty of working times. There's not really gonna be an issue where there's been too much time that goes by, but we do want to at least 10-15 minutes in a normal
give it that time.
situation
and a lot of it is
to be able to really start working.
People don't understand waxes have to set up. There has to be a setup time for those protectants in there to actually work and bond.
Yeah, and it still has, just like many other things that we deal with in this industry, it still has carriers, it still has things that that need to do what they're intended to do, which is to get out of there. So.
But even with this second towel, it's coming off nicely.
It's more important having a long enough cure time is more important than being worried about getting it off soon enough. You're just not
Yeah.
going to have that issue with this product.
Wow, that stuff's nice. And it feels good too, like your final wipe, man. Just gliding over the surface. So there you guys have it. Very simple, very easy to do. Your very own KCx W0.01 wax. Andrew, brother, thank you for coming and hanging out with us and doing this. And as always, guys, you can learn more about KCx product from KCx and go to the finisher.kcchemi.com. DE. Pick up yours, actually learn more about the MSDS. You can learn everything you want from that website. You can also pick it up here at the Rag Company. As always, guys, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos right here, the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.